overcast, but we're still outside, guys. This is our lineup today. Huh?
That looks insane.
You like it?
Like insane.
Looks crazy, right? Look at that. Yeah, bro.
The car looks like bigger in a good way.
It does, right?
I don't see it.
How long was that drive? You were in Tampa?
Oh my God. 6 in the summer, bro.
You're crazy.
Like 4.5 hours.
You're nuts. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Man.
Chilling.
Alex, Serge. Nice to meet you, man.
I think Sammy was gonna pull up too.
Yeah, I saw Sammy driving that way.
Yeah, because he has to go home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Figured.
How long ago?
Like 5 minutes ago? I was putting loose. You good, dog. You don't have to say hi to me, bro.
Single turbo talk.
I didn't have any socks on board.
Socks? I got the dogs out, bro. There's nothing wrong with it.
You have the thongs to put there. I can't do that.
But yeah, bro, it's not even gonna rain.
He told me that, I'm like,
Yeah. I looked at it. Johnny was like, nah, I'm not going. It's gonna rain. But there's no rain, bro.
I got tire shine on this.
Yo, it's sitting nice too, bro. It's sitting so freaking clean.
Great job with your factory.
With the paint match? Yeah, bro, they did. They killed it. They freaking killed it, bro.
That's so much better.
Thank you, bro. I saw it when it was raining and then when it's sunny, but like in the overcast, it looks crazy. Hey, we got the S3. The boy pulled up. That thing is sitting so clean. There he is. Thing is looking clean. Always, always. What's good? How you doing? What's up, Oliver? Okay. We're rallying up the troops. We're about to leave right now. Let's freaking go. Oh my goodness. Jesus. And we're here. That's it. That's all you guys get for the ride out. Let's see what kind of turnout they got. We got a BMW graduate here.
I know, I'm sorry.
Congrats, man. Congrats, congrats.
Still welcome to the meets.
Of course, bro. You're here.
I know, but like the real ones.
Of course, bro. This thing is beautiful. I like chalk. I really do.
Yeah, it's like it looks like fashion gray, like similar to fashion.
Yeah, it's very similar. Got a nice stance on it already. I saw the spacer video.
Saw it.
Yeah,
Like it.
yeah, 100%. And I think you should leave that tinted.
So
My personal opinion.
So the thing is, like, you see how this is clear?
Yeah.
So they sell. Well, you can spec it that way, but you can get this in clear.
Oh.
Or tinted it black.
Oh,
give it
I
that
see, I
effect.
see, I
So
see.
if I took it off, it would be red. So if I take it off,
You want to do it clear.
I don't know. So like, I'm scared to take it off and like not like the red and then have to buy the clear.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
Yeah, because you got this tinted down here too.
They did it, yeah.
Yeah.
This is red.
Oh, that sticks out a lot,
If you
yeah.
spec the clear taillight, you get this in clear.
Oh.
But I want to do the aero kit wing.
Yeah,
When
100%.
you do the aero kit wing, this light moves to the wings.
Ooh, look at that.
It's black, but it's chalk stitching.
Oh, that's chalk.
Yeah,
Nice.
Chalk seat belts.
Those are great details.
Yeah.
And you do have a back seat.
Yeah, you got a back seat.
Yeah, you could fit some people back there.
I haven't even sat back here. Should I try to go in?
Yeah, go in. Try to see if it's functional. Yeah? All right, now put the seat back. Yeah.
You gotta move the seat up.
Yeah, you gotta move the seat up. Nah, but it's definitely functional for an emergency.
Yeah.
The P car. Look at that. And you can see the chalk right next to the skyscraper gray. You see the differences there. So this meet, we didn't host it. It was Brian with the Viper, which that's his car right there. He brings the Vipers outside and the supercars, so maybe we'll get some more cars pulling up later. We definitely brought the crowd today. Yeah. This is nice, RS7. I think this is Nardo. It's pretty clean. Big body. This is Brian's Viper, a Viper GTS This thing has a very nice look to it. And then you got our boys over here. Sammy pulled up a little far. And then on this side, you got the blue crew, the G80, the X6M. That boy halfway with a single turbo. Guys, 100K subs. We're gonna put a snail in the car. Let's do it. We got a CS that pulled up. This is turning into a BMW meet. A BMW meet. Probably got some tints done. That thing is so sick. Let's take a closer look at the CS, man. Look at that paint. Love the freaking hood, guys. With the carbon stripes, this thing is freaking beautiful. All black wheels. This thing is so hard. Super nice. I've seen this color on the M4 CS than any other color. I don't even know what other colors they come out with. I think they come out with like black, white, Riviera. I don't know if they come out with gray. If they come out with the same ones as the M3 CS, then it's definitely black, gray, white. And then this is their special color here. All right, we're gonna get a ride in the single-turbo G80 here. We're gonna actually see if I should get it or not, the single-turbo. That ain't no question. Let's hear that T51R mod. You can hear it a little bit. Thing sounds so freaking fire. There you go. You can kind of hear it. We're gonna hop in, catch a couple pulls. Woo, the rocket. Okay. Okay. Ah, all right.
First time on one of these things,
Huh?
First time on one of these things?
Yeah, bro. First time. Look, you already got people filming. This is the Aura you got with single turbo?
Just been driving and just fucking whistles for no reason.
BMW Airlines.
I pulled up to a freaking stop sign earlier today and it just downshifted, made a pop. I just, the guy in the passenger seat, he's like, out the fucking window.
Let's put the window down. A little bit. Damn. Calm 850, right?
Yeah.
Oh my. I'm gonna get the reaction here. Yo, this is crazy, bro.
Do like a third pull.
Whatever you want, dog.
Or a third, and then it just loads up, I guess. So just forward. Just be forward.
Oh my.
I'm used to this shit, so.
Yo, and the X-Drive just feels so controlled too. Like it's just straight. Oh my. Let me turn the camera around.
This is like second gear pretty much.
Second gear pull right here. Yo, he's like, this is calm, calm. Bro, what the? I'm gonna be on KLMrace.com tonight.
I got a dock on mine.
Just freaking manifesting. Oh my gosh, bro.
I've been trying to change my fucking burbles, but my shit doesn't connect. My fucking
Yo, the burbos are perfect. It's not like over the top either.
mid-pipe, that's it.
Single mid pipe, cutlass, stock muffler.
Yeah.
You need the IRL sauce.
I got an AW at the house, but I gotta get it custom fabricated for the single.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
I might do that this weekend, honestly.
that'll be nice.
But
Damn.
AW, it was actually louder. No,
Hey, you gonna drop the goodies in here? What are you gonna do next or no?
I'm not doing this for maybe until like 2 months.
2 months?
Built trans, about 2 months. That's it.
Built Trent. Who are you going with?
Deca.
Oh, okay. I was honestly like right before this meet, I was just killing time and I was looking at transmissions, upgraded clutches, because I gotta upgrade my clutch.
Because I was gonna do my transmission before I got a single turbo, but I was like, it was a Black Friday deal.
Damn, sure. I should wait till November. Hopefully we hit 100K. Hit 100K by November.
I got mine for 7,006.
Yo, that's not bad.
Exactly.
What the heck? I'm gonna have to look at Doc. I know what's his name from North Carolina, the one with the single exit.
That gray one?
Yeah. He got his dock race too.
And there's a car, I think it's a tennis ball. No, it's the same Isle of Man. It made like 1,500. That race kit.
What?
Something monster or something like that.
Was it cheaper? Well, it's not that much cheaper than KLM, bro.
Like cheaper.
I got you. Woo! That made the blood pump though. Not gonna lie, that second gear pull was different. Oh, with the gap cam? I don't think they were running.
Spins just a little bit, but nothing crazy.
Oh my God, bro! Bro, I'm speechless.
Huh?
I don't even want to get in my car right now.
What you mean, bro?
Yo, what the?
This is it, right?
Yeah, you could go through. Yo, and that T51 Armand? Huh? Yeah, you could go through it. It's a second entrance.
This man trying to rob me right now.
Yo, let me go back there real quick.
This is like fucking comfort. So like all you gonna hear is just a turbo.
That's nuts. Just listen to that. Oh my. Another pull. Yo, you guys want to sponsor a dock race set or what?
Yo.
Jesus. Thank you, bro. I needed that. I needed that, bro. I needed that.
I'm out of here.
I made it, bro. I made it back safe.
I didn't even know y'all went for a ride. How was it?
It was great, bro. It was great. It was great.
Group turbo kit.
Yo, everybody, group turbo kit, bro. Turbo kit the G80. All right, guys, the boys are out. The 340, he's tuned. He's tuned. He's probably gonna tune soon. So that just leaves me, man. I have to do it. Oh shit, M340 as well. I got a tune, bro. I got a tune. Yo, that ride was crazy. That ride was crazy. That sounds so freaking good, bro. Steering wheel, bro. I didn't see it in person. Damn, the Miami carbon sauce. Okay. I need to get that, bro. I'm thinking about doing like Alcantara, Yasmarina, carbon. Just like that. Yasmarina is the blue that I have on my interior with the Alcantara grips. Right? I think it'll look good. Huh? Daily? Yeah, I'll probably just have to brush it and stuff. Yeah.
That's why I wanted Alcantara too, but I was like, I'm not
Yeah, the leather looks fire though. That looks really good, bro. Yeah, with the red right here, that's just hitting. There goes the Grigio. Crazy. Sounds so good. All right, guys, there you have it. Quick little car meet / single turbo G80 vibes. That definitely convinced me to get one. So let's do this together. Let's get to 100K subscribers. I'm not gonna stop posting. I'm not gonna stop grinding till we get there together. And you guys are gonna witness this from the ground all the way up to single turbo, the G80. Let's freaking go. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.